Replacement windows. Baytown is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of window options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, Baytown residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window contractors in Baytown offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient replacement windows. Baytown are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Baytown window experts can provide detailed window estimates and quotes to help homeowners make informed decisions. Vinyl windows. Baytown are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent choice for the Baytown climate. Window specialists in Baytown can guide homeowners through the selection process, ensuring they choose the best vinyl windows for their needs. Double-hung windows. Baytown offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for Baytown homes. Window companies in Baytown can provide a wide range of double-hung window styles and designs to suit any home. Baytown window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of home windows. Whether dealing with broken window glass or damaged window frames, Baytown window replacement experts can provide quick and efficient solutions. Regular window maintenance in Baytown can prevent costly replacement and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows. Baytown offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique window designs that reflect their personal style. From bay windows to specialty shapes, Baytown window contractors can bring any vision to life. Custom window solutions in Baytown can enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of a home. Bay windows. Baytown add architectural interest and additional space to any room. These windows create a cozy nook perfect for reading or enjoying the view. Baytown window installation experts can ensure that bay windows are installed correctly for maximum impact and efficiency. Replacement windows. Baytown are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From energy-efficient upgrades to custom designs, Baytown window services provide comprehensive options for any project. Window experts in Baytown are committed to delivering high-quality results and exceptional customer service. Window styles in Baytown range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Baytown window companies offer a wide selection of window styles to suit any taste. Window upgrades in Baytown can transform the look and feel of a home, increasing its curb appeal and value.